technical analysis. And this is kind of in my opinion, a really broad definition. It really just tries to predict what future moves are going to be in the market. And so we have a bunch of tools and things we can use to try to guess or estimate or plan for the movement of the market, and then also to identify, and probably even more important, identify entry and exit points on trades. So that's kind of the broad definition of technical analysis. And I will tell you, there's a lot of people out there that trade that say there's no value in technical analysis. And then there's another school that says technical analysis is all you need to know to be a successful trader. So, if you ever get into a discussion with someone, just know that you're going to run into someone who has the absolute opposite opinion. Now, I personally believe technical analysis is a key to good trading, particularly shorter term trading. And the good thing is that a lot of times, even if technical analysis didn't work, a lot of people say it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So if a stock comes down to a support level, people start to buy, right? That's when they want to buy. So it moves up. So it kind of works. If it doesn't work because of technical analysis, it works because people follow it. And we don't really care why it works. It just know that it does work and it can help us. So, so one of the things, the basics of technical analysis is that the markets alternate between range expansion and contraction, right? We see all the time that it'll move wide, or sometimes it'll stay in a very narrow range. And trend continuation is more likely than a reversal. And that's important because a lot of times what I hear people do is when they see a stock that's selling off really, really hard, and they say, now's the time that we can get in this trade. And a lot of times it just continues to go in the direction you don't want it to go. So that's a really key point, that trend continuation is more likely than reversal. And then trends end in one of two ways. They'll roll over. I always talk about rollover, right? This stock is going to roll over. So a stock moves up, 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 and then it rolls over, or it climaxes and dies, kind of thing. So, and the other kind of really key point is momentum precedes price. So if we start seeing momentum on a technical analysis, a lot of times it precedes the price movement of the stock. So I think that was really kind of important learning for me.